What's up, everyone in the world? Because this video is for everyone in the world. Not just you. Yeah, you. So, vocabulary by topic, and in this video, it is close. Let's rock and roll. Shoes. I'm wearing no shoes. Suit. Barney from How I Met Your Mother wears it a lot.
Suit up! Suit up?
You suited up!
Suit up! You suited up!
Shorts. I don't have my shorts on right now because they are at home. T-shirt. T-shirt. A lot of people probably don't know it, but T-shirt looks like the letter T. That's why it's called T-shirt. You're welcome. Ding! Trousers. My trousers are black and very comfortable, just like my computer. Suitcase. No, it's not just for suits. You can also put some bricks in it. Dress. Is this a pretty dress? Yes, it is. Flip-flops. What do they do? That's right, they flip and flop. Jacket.
What'd it do?
Glasses.
Right there.
Jacket.
Waistcoat. I have never worn a waistcoat. Backpack. This is your back, and this is a pack. Backpack. Briefcase. Mainly used for carrying paper. Pajamas. I got nothing on pajamas. Coat. When it's cold, I put on my coat, and then I hope I get my salary on time this month. That's it for this video. See you next time.